Hello and welcome to the new video. Today I'm gonna show you how you missed a 17% rally on Bitcoin. Let's get started here. Firstly, we wanna see why this even happened. Why did this time happen? And it did not happen because fucking Jim Cramer came out on internet and said Bitcoin here is stable and he's here to stay. It did not crash because of that. Very simple reason. We take the fib. Bang. This is the golden pocket, as you know, 0.618. You had 3 chances to enter. This was the first chance, third chance, and second chance, and third chance here. This drop happened to stop out the buyers who were long from here or here or here, stopping them out, getting the new buyers in, the big investors here, and then potentially having this 17% rally. Right, if you were long here, you were too early. Whip on our private group, we longed around this range, accumulation, manipulation, and distribution right here. Yeah, if you are in my group, in my Telegram, you would have seen my gains. So yeah. Now, different thing is, why did this rally happen? Why did Bitcoin not just go straight downward to take liquidity from this, right? The answer is very simple. If we go to the very big chart, right? I'm gonna delete this real quick, so I'm gonna show you, right? If we take the Fibonacci here from this bull market top, right? This was the bull market, to this bear market, potentially bear market end. That's what we know is for now, right? We see that the golden pocket here, or the 0.7618, is at 48,800, right? That's what it's aiming for. As you see, it is going for that retracement, and it will not stop before this retracement happens. Now, I have different analysis on this chart. I'm gonna show you the picture right now. If you are in my channel, you probably already know, but I expect BTC to hit this zone, right? I forecasted this rally on December 13. You will see another picture right here. So yeah, make sure you are following my socials, guys. I'm gonna link them in the bio under this video, so make sure you go and follow all of them to stay updated with the current chart and what's going to happen with Bitcoin. Now, what do I think will happen next? What I think will happen next is we go back to this 44,600. This also aligns with this Fibonacci right here. If we take from this bottom to this top, as you see, yeah, 45,000 and 44,400. This is where I want BTC to drop eventually, and then continue its way to 48k. This is for all the FOMO buyers who are longing up here. Even if you long at this exact spot, you will most likely get stopped out. No, I'm not saying that it cannot just continue going up, but what I would like to do, I still have my positions running from 43,900. Yeah, it's about like 300% up right now, a few $1,000. But yeah, if Bitcoin will come down here eventually, I will probably add more to my position, and now fully I will not fully take profit, but I will cut 80% here at this golden pocket. Maybe eventually, if we get that retracement here at $57,000, $58,000, that would be awesome. That would be really awesome, because nobody believed, right? Nobody believes that it will eventually come up here. But if we go again on the big chart here, right, nobody believed that Bitcoin would reach this. Right, this is also the 0.786 retracement. This was the golden pocket right here at this zone, and it responded. Yes, as you see, it had a 24% rally, but again it dropped down and reached this. People were in disbelief. They thought that Bitcoin was going to under those levels, but yeah, retailers never was meant to win. So yeah, nobody believed when we were down here that we would even get above 30k, or we were down here, nobody thought we would get over 30k resistance, but yeah, here we are at 45,000 right now. 46,000 in my bed. So yeah, this is what I'm planning on Bitcoin next. So a retracement back here. If Bitcoin comes down here, you may enter along, but yeah, manage your stop losses, because yeah, I'm not saying Bitcoin will stop here. There is a high chance it will, but not a guarantee. That my comp still take this liquidity here, or even go back to this 40k golden pocket, which is pretty big dump. But that is very unlikely to happen, because I'm still waiting for that 48k to hit. Plus there is a ETF shit going on tomorrow on the 10th of January. So yeah, if it gets accepted, I think we will rally around 50k or maybe 52k. There is a likely chance I will touch this level, but I don't think only that ETF approval could boost BTC another 23% while being this overvalued and oversold, overbought. Now you may ask, why does this those levels respect? Right? Why does the price respect those levels? I mean, makes no sense, right? You could just perfectly align those levels and then predict what's going to happen in the next 2 months, right? Crypto is crypto. Yes, I totally agree. Crypto can sometimes not be predictable. You might ask now the TRB chart, right? It rallied from $20 to $600. You might ask, this was not projectable. This was not predictable, and you are very wrong. Let's go to TRB chart here. Right, I'm gonna delete those. Let's go to the daily chart. This looks very interesting, right? Because when TRB was trading, let's go to a weekly chart, we'll see it better. When TRB was trading at those levels, right? $8, $40, who would have thought it could ever reach $600? You might ask. Yeah, I thought that, because if we take the Fibonacci levels, my friend, what do you see? What do you see here? They just exactly respected. Let me take out the magnet and we will see exactly if it respected, like exactly. And then this bottom, yeah, it's pretty much did exactly respected. I mean, that is like, yeah, 2% is absolutely nothing. So everything is forecastable and everything is predictable. Don't get me wrong. Crypto can be crypto sometimes and rally crazy, like Bong here. You know, this was just a meme coin, obviously, but yeah, this was a pretty crazy rally around 200x. So yeah, I would still say it is very predictable. Every asset in this industry, if it's stocks, if it's crypto, if it's forex, if it's fucking indexes, I don't care what it is. You can predict everything if you know how to do it. So yeah, what I'm expecting on BTC to happen here is a retracement back here and then another rally to potentially 50k or more, depending on how ETF is gonna turn out tomorrow. If it's gonna be positive, You don't want to miss that long. But if it's gonna negative, again, it aligns perfectly, because if we get a dump today and then a retracement back here, and the ETF will be tomorrow negative, yeah, you'll see a big dump to maybe even the low 30Ks, right? Because everybody's expecting ETF to be approved. So many news. It's literally, I'm gonna show you a picture right here. I posted this on my Telegram channel. Yeah, don't be that guy, right? Everybody thinks ETF is fucking best thing that crypto ever has experienced. I'm not saying it's not a bullish event. Yes, it's a good event that ETF is getting approved, but then again, it is not as good as you think, because it has some insider, and for that, you probably have no clue about what big investors and whales are trying to do with that ETF. But that's a theme for another day. Yeah, that's what I was planning on. Bitcoin here. We potentially have reached the 48K level here. CME Bitcoin futures has reached 47,800, and if you know Fibonacci very well, you will know that it doesn't really matter if it reaches this or this, because Fibonacci is never like exactly accurate. Fibonacci can be a little over or under. There's like on TRB it was like 2% under, but you get the main idea where a level is to short. Right, so if you short it here, right, you would be currently in a 1% profit. I mean, it's not bad, it's not bad, but if I risky short here, I would not even take any positions here. Anybody who taken any position in this time frame, time zone, you are just fucking retard. Just fucking quit crypto, please. Even if you are a good scalper, you don't wanna take positions in this. I mean, yeah, it got moves, but it is so risky. It is not even worth taking a position. Just stay, watch, wait for retracement back, and then enter. Now there is a different types of retracements here. You don't want to see this, right, and then this. You don't want to see this, right? It's just a little over extended, but I'm gonna show you what I mean exactly. So consolidating, right, and then we get that higher lows, and then we get this type of retracement. You don't want to see that. That is very bearish, and that is most likely not going to respond. So what type of retracement you're looking for is this type of retracement. This is a very good and healthy retracement, while this, yeah, you don't even want to watch touch anything here. Just leave it as this and wait for a better move. USDT dominance. Crazy. This was when, as retailers would say, Jim Cramer posted that news that Bitcoin is here to stay. As you see, crazy increase in USDT here. For a 13% increase in USDT dominance. If you don't know what this means, it's basically how many USDTs are compared to crypto. Right, this is a stable coin, and when they convert Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any type of crypto into USDT, this chart goes up. Right, yeah, you see this went down again because the rally happened on Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is skyrocketing. We see here massive pump from 58% to almost 55. This is why altcoins are still in big loss here. We are long on some altcoins that are still in loss currently, but what could potentially happen after BTC ETF gets approved, if it gets approved, is that we see that Ethereum spot BTC, right? I know it's been silent, but it has been posted once. So some firms have applied to Ethereum spot ETF, but nobody's talking about it yet because it's not the right time. After, if Bitcoin ETF gets approved, that will be the new hype, which will do exactly the opposite as it's now. Bitcoin dominance will drop, Bitcoin will be fucking consolidating and not moving, while Ethereum will skyrocket to the moon, right? Currently 2.3k, and it could reach 2.6 and even $3,000, but that is a big target. I don't think that's gonna happen on Ethereum anytime soon, so I expect 2.3k, 2.6k, and also 2.6k is a very big resistance and a very heavy short level, so it will be hard to break that level, even if this for example is 2.6k, right? We could get potentially a break, but the break will be a wick and it will come down again, bottom, and close the body under 2.6k. Yeah, that is all, guys. I hope you get the idea of what Bitcoin is trying to do. It will go to 48k and it will go more. You will see in the near future